So for the HDC wrap row, we're going to start with a chain 2, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, just doing a regular half double crochet. Then we're going to yarn over again. We're going to go in between that post in the starting chain, and we'll work a half double there. So it's going around the side. We skip the next stitch, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops for another half double. So then we're going to work into this space, going around the post of that half double. So yarn over, insert into the space, yarn over, pull around. So we call this the half double wrap because it's kind of wrapping itself around the post. It's not like a post stitch, because generally you would do that on the round below. So this is like the previous post. So we just continue to skip the next one. So we're skipping one because this one we're inserting around the post instead of into the next stitch. Otherwise you'll end up with increases if you don't skip. And then you'll just continue across your row. Okay, now we've come back to the end of the row. Just want to show you how the end is. So we've done this one. There should be 4 stitches remaining. We're going to do this last one the same as before. Wrap around. And then we have a skip, and then we're just going to do a regular half double in the last stitch of the row. And to start the next one, we're going to chain 2 for this blanket where I've got a section of the half double wraps, and turn, and then doing the same thing. So you're going to start in that first one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and then wrap around, pulling through. And then you're going to skip one, insert into the next, and then continue that half double wrap all the way across. So then they will line up and you'll have a section that looks like that. Yep. Thank you.